Hi, I am Ramnath Kalkur, National Sales Manager, Coral Anti-Pollution System Private Limited. Coral is producing anti-pollution systems from Italy. Now today I am demonstrating Iperjet 6, which is used for the cartridge system for cleaning of the smoke and dust. This machine is having cartridges. There are 6 cartridges which is inside the machine. Okay, these cartridges are made of polyester and this is washable type. The cartridges usage is around 12,000. For a new cartridges it is 12,000 running hours and it is washable, then again you can use for 8,000 hours. These cartridges regularly cleaned by the pneumatic pressure, so the residue will collect at the bottom. The clean air pass through from the top. The machine is equipped with 7.5 kilowatt motor power and it is also equipped with evolution arm. For this machine you can connect 4 evolution arm, means you can connect to the 4 welding stations, and this is control panel is with the VFD. This is the on off switch for the machine. Okay, the purpose of the VFD control panel is it will reduce the power when you are switching on 1 or 2 evolution arm. The suction pressure of the machine is 6,000 meter cube per hour. So always Coral produces a quality air pollution equipment.